Thousands of people who sued Texas utility companies after that 2021 deadly winter storm that we all remember are still waiting to learn if they'll get their day in court.
Texas Supreme Court's soon going to get involved in Fox Sports' Paige Ellenberger's in the studio with a look at the case and what this might mean for you. Paige.
Yeah, guys, and these plaintiffs believe Texas utilities should have acted differently back in 2021 when ERCOT asked utility companies to cut power to homes and businesses to relieve the stress on the power grid during that deadly winter storm. Of course, that caused a lot of issues. It resulted in prolonged and widespread power outages that ended with deaths and major property damage. Now, back in April, the 14th Court of Appeals in Houston ruled only certain claims can move forward. But in December, the state Supreme Court decided it would review the case and then hold a hearing. Chet Ruback, a lawyer not involved in this case, says it's an interesting move by the state's highest court, especially because it's not gone to trial.
So the fact that the Supreme Court is taking time out of its very, very busy docket to grant an oral argument, grant a hearing in this case, especially in light of the fact there's not yet a final decision, there's not yet a final trial of this case, indicates to me the Supreme Court is likely to make some changes in what the Court of Appeals has done. This is going to be a tough decision for the Supreme Court to make. I don't remember ever seeing a case, anything like this before the Supreme Court.
Power transmission companies being sued are the ones that own the power lines and control the electricity across the state. Now, one of those companies named in this lawsuit is Oncor, the power transmission company based here in North Texas. Ruback says Oncor and other companies may argue that their hands were simply tied at the time. The hearing is set for February 19th. The court will not make a decision at that time, though rather the decision will likely come in a written opinion, which could take weeks or months to get.